Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's do analysis of Reliance chart. So guys, let us open the monthly chart of Reliance. So in monthly chart we can observe it is making higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low. Similarly higher highs and higher lows. But if you see this pattern, this is looking like a bearish flat pattern. So this pattern means it might go up and then again come down. But since the chart is showing bullishness, we don't short on this. So we don't short until this low is taken out. So in monthly chart, we can draw a pattern like this. And now let us go to weekly chart. So in weekly chart, we can observe this is a major hurdle point which it need to cross. So this is a major hurdle which Reliance need to cross, and above this we can expect up to this point. And between these 2 points, the market will be in sideways for some time. And below this, we can look for short opportunities, and the target will be this much. I hope this analysis would have helped you. So if you like the content, please like, share and comment. Thank you.